with the environment. The onus therefore remains on India to take the necessary steps to create an enabling environment conducive for a meaningful and result-oriented dialogue. Mr. Speaker, any attempt to label the long-standing struggle of the Kashmiri people as terrorism is an egregious distortion of reality. It is vital to recognize the profound disparity between genuine aspiration of freedom and the blanket accusation of terrorism. These excuses must not serve as a pretext to delegitimize earning for self-determination among occupied people. Mr. Speaker, the Indian leaders are making a number of belligerent statements about Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan. Only a few days ago, the Indian Home Minister staked a claim over Azad Jammu and Kashmir while addressing the Indian Parliament. Notwithstanding Indian military and political leaders' rhetoric, Pakistan has exercised maximum restraint. Let there be no misconception that Pakistan would yield to any form of threat or intimidation. We stand resilient in the face of challenges, holding firm to our principles and commitment to safeguarding our sovereignty and interest. Yet our real strength lies in our perseverance, diplomacy, and commitment to dialogue, not in aggression or conflict. Above all, truth is on the side of the Kashmiris and Pakistan. Mr. Speaker, I appeal to all men and women of conscience to urge India to desist from taking unilateral steps to further consolidate its occupation of illegally Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Revoke its action of 5th August 2019 and the subsequent steps. Provide solemn assurance that it will not change the occupied territory's demographic composition and not allow non-Kashmiris